What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video, we're going to continue to show people this 100% free strategy that I'm giving out, that I'm using every single day. I got other people using every day. I'm probably going to throw some screenshots up here somewhere in this video. Shout out to Shane. Shane started with 750 bucks, took his first $1,000 out of it. That way he's playing with house money, the money that he made, and now he's back up to like $1,400, close to $1,500 now in just the past about month and a half, and that's starting with 750 bucks. So if you got 750 bucks, you can learn this, you can do this, and you can make money every single day. But with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for joining this, and we are going to jump right into this video. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. Okay guys, so this video, obviously you guys, if you guys have seen any of my last videos, I'm just proving that this system works over and over and over. Again, the 200, again, if you haven't watched the last video, go click on it. I'll put it up here or something, and it's great. It's going to demonstrate this, but I'm just going to go through, we're going to count trades. I know how many trades I took today, and I know how many trades worked for me, and again, 2-tick profit target on ES. If you guys don't know what ES is, it's basically the S&P 500 but futures version. So if you guys are trading stocks, guys, like SPY for instance, it's like the same thing, but it's the futures version of it, and you're going to make way more using way less money and not having to worry about everything. So let's dive deep back into this, and we're going to go right in here because I don't think you needed to go much further than this, and I think I'm actually going 8:30 right here's where the market opened. I did not take a trade right there. You guys know my deal. I wait a little bit here, and I'm going to give it the first hour really here. So I'm going to name these off. I didn't take this trade here. Didn't like it. I thought this was more of a short trade, and again, the market had just opened, so I'm not looking to make a trade right then and there. This was not a trade because it is above the 200, so no trade there. I did take this trade right here, and you're going to notice this was a very, very simple trade. This is actually the candle that I entered on, and you see the open was 38.78, which means it was way down here. 2 ticks profit, instant money. We're off and running today. Very easy. Then again, another one. Boom, we get another one here. And again, I'm highlighting these guys. You guys can see it. And you're able to make this money because you're not really trying to push the limits, guys. 2 ticks, that's all you need. Guys, 2 ticks is what people don't understand. 2 ticks in ES is so fast. It's like after fees and everything, like 20 bucks per contract. So again, if you do 10, you're like 200. Again, you can do all the math, vice versa, but you guys don't realize it's so fast. If any of you guys are doubting how it works, pull up level 2 or a DOM, depending on which platform you use. Look at it, go on to it, and watch how fast they go through ticks on ES or the NASDAQ. I don't trade the NASDAQ on the future side, but just go watch ES. It's going to be well worth your time. You're going to be like, well, no wonder he's making so much money. And then here was my third trade. I believe, let me make sure here. Yeah. And again, this was a super easy one. This is where, no, you would not have entered here. I'm just being 100% honest with you guys. So remove, it's not going to just let me, oh yeah, here we go, duh. It's the second trade. I'm making sure it confirms. So again, and this is on the smaller candle of the two. So you're going to see right in here, we'll actually highlight it better than that. Come on now. So here it is, entered, boom, in and out. And again, guys, I know this. I know what happened because these are the 3 trades that I took today. In and out, done. A little over $400 per trade if you take out the commissions and do all that. So actually $200, my bad. $200 ended up is that like around $500 after commissions and everything for the day. That's $100 grand a year. That's not including my other sources of income and everything else, guys. If you guys want me to do a series where I show you guys start to finish $750 for like $1,200, I think $1,200 is a really, really good number because it's $1,000 per contract. Leverage is just changed and stuff like that with brokers. and then be able to scale it. And I'll show you guys exactly how I would do it if I was starting with $1,000 again. But guys, thank you guys all for watching this video. This is the simplest thing you're ever gonna do, especially with making 20 bucks in seconds. Again, not hours, not an hour, seconds. And then if you, again, this is something you guys can do with a day job. And I think that's one of the most important things that I like about all this is I know multiple people with a day job now using this exact strategy, guys. So if you're like, oh, I got a job, I can't watch the market all the time, you don't really need to, guys. I'm actually going to start something where if we get enough people moving and everything, where I'm just going to send out an alert, and it won't be saying this is the trade. It will be saying looking like it's about to be a long or looking like it's about to be a short. Something like that that gives people a heads up throughout the day. We're not going to do it for every single trade throughout the day, but we were going to do it for the first couple or first 2 or 3 for each day. And I think that'll give people more of an idea, especially people that work every single day. It'll make it easier on you. But with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this video, and I will see you